Hello, this is Lady Boulay, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your thumbs up, for your comments, and thank you for sharing the videos. Thank you for all you do to support the channel. And yes, we are commanded to love one another, whether we want to or not, or whether we agree with each other or not. And so, today, the black community is calling all Karens to active duty. Ever since I've been reporting on the migrant crisis in the United States, in my comment section, people are asking, where are the Karens? Where are the Karens? They have the unique ability to sniff out black people wherever black people are, just popping up out of nowhere, harassing black people, threatening black people, calling the cops on black people, one time even pulling a gun on a black family just because they were walking in the park. And now we have a full-on crisis in the United States with invaders from other countries. And nobody has seen hair or hide of Karens. Never, I haven't even heard of a Karen spotting, and they are needed at this time. Look at this. Look at this. Group of newly arrived migrants allegedly behind string of burglaries plaguing Chicago suburb. This says Chicago suburb, so this is her neighborhood. Karen doesn't live in the hood. She lives in the suburbs. So let's see what it says. A band of newly arrived migrants who may be part of a bigger crime ring are allegedly behind a string of retail thefts and burglaries plaguing a Chicago suburb, police said. In all, 47 migrants have been arrested since October in the village of Oak Brook, about 20 miles west of the second city, Chief of Police Brian Stockrist told Fox News, adding many of the incidents have targeted a Macy's in the local mall. Okay, so they're going after Macy's. On January 13th, Jamie Ubaldo Obando Andrade, and I don't know if that's right or not, 32, allegedly tried on a $395 jacket at the department store and walked out without paying for it, according to a news release from DuPage County State's Attorney Bob Berlian's office. So he just put the coat on and walked on out the store with it, and I guess they didn't know what to do. Police found approximately $3,000 worth of suspected stolen goods in Obando Andrade's car, as well as rolls of tin foil and a fake driver's license, they said. Ooh, so this sounds like a seasoned thief to me. So let's look at the neighborhood that they pulled this off in. Tucson Woods, Oak Brook. Oak Brook is a small, affluent suburb of Chicago with a population of around 7,883, as the headquarters of companies such as Ace Hardwood, Lions Club International, and Sanford LP. Job opportunities abound. Okay? So now, let's focus on that first sentence. Oak Brook is a small, affluent suburb of Chicago with a population of around 7,883. Now, this is prime territory for a Karen to operate in. It's affluent and it's small. And the police has already fingered these guys. Why aren't they at that mall? Why aren't they at Macy's doing their job? And look what this last paragraph says. While the entire village is teeming with wealthy residents and multi-million-dollar properties, the very richest live in the supremely exclusive neighborhood of Tucson Woods. So there you have exclusive and more exclusive. These are places that they need to protect these properties, these multi-million-dollar properties. Where are the crime-fighting Karens? Where are they? So the Chicago police needs to put out an all-points bulletin calling all Karens because they have a crisis. They have a real crisis in Chicago. Those migrants are running amok in the city, stealing and walking out of stores with clothes on without paying for them. Karens to the rescue. Karens to the rescue. And look at this. 4 migrants accused of assaulting NYPD officers were arrested and released. Arrested and released. Now they're California bound, a source says. So see, Karens could head them off. When they get there, they ought to be standing at the border of every city, ready to take them on. Okay, black men, listen up. These are your stop and frisk guys. Look at these bad boys. 4 migrant men charged with felonies in an attack on 2 New York City Police Department officers Saturday outside a migrant shelter are en route to a California town near Mexico after they were released from custody and given bus tickets by a faith-based charity, a senior law enforcement official said. So let's get this straight now. These bad boys, these stop and frisk, take back the city boys, were beat up by 4 migrant men, had them on the ground, kicking them and everything. They were charged and released, and they're on their way to California. Now, if this is not a job for Karens, I don't know what is. So Karens need to be on the case. As soon as they get to any city in California, Karens ought to be ready to do their job. Calling the police? Oh, I forgot. They just beat up some police officers. Oh, well. And here the mayor of New York says, we need deportation of criminal migrants. They're doing violent acts. Well, now, these are the same people who claim they are seeking political asylum because it's dangerous in your home country. Well, they're making it dangerous for people here. And this brings us to how cowardly American people are. Black people who are posing no threat to them, who are going about their business, living their lives, walking in the park, watching birds, trying to grocery shop. They're harassing and stalking black people who are not doing anything. And now we have a country full of people who have invaded the country, and they really need to be monitored and managed. And these Karens, these white women who believe in law and order, who want to police black people, are nowhere to be seen. See, this is let you know how phony these people are. They're scared. They're scared. They are afraid to go after these migrants because they don't know what kind of people they're dealing with. But with black people, they feel safe. Terrell Owens, a football player, a man who is well known, like he's going to really do something. She going to roll up on him in his neighborhood, bothering people in their homes, in their neighborhoods, cutting grass, children selling lemonade. They're bad as hell when it comes to stuff like that. But now, when there are people out here really doing things, leaving urine on their doorsteps, and bothering them and stealing from them and vandalizing all over the place, now you can't even hear from them. So everybody, we get it now. We've always known these people were cowards and that there was nothing to them. And that they just, it's almost like these people are really a joke. And this needs to be pointed out. And black people should not hesitate to go to the police or a lawyer when you're having an experience with these people. Because if you don't stand up to them, all it will do is escalate and continue. I say go to a lawyer or have them arrested. Y'all let me know what you think about the video. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video, and as always, have a great day.